Climate change and you. The impacts of climate change are common problems affecting the entire world. The islands in the Eastern Caribbean are particularly vulnerable to the changes in climate. There are 40 million residents in these Caribbean islands who will be affected by extreme temperatures, increased hurricane intensity which threatens lives, property and livelihoods throughout the region. Climate change will affect all economic sectors: agriculture, tourism, industry, transport, energy, and water resources. For the Caribbean region, water resources are of great concern due to its already scarce nature. Climate and water resources are intimately connected through the water cycle, and as elements of weather change, so will the different processes of the water cycle. There is an increasing demand for potable water due to population increase and industrialization. Industrialization has brought about an increase in carbon dioxide emissions from the burning of fossil fuels and methane gas from sanitary landfills. These two greenhouse gases absorb heat and increase global temperatures. IPCC 2007 stated that global temperatures are increasing and will result in global sea level rise. Such sea level rise has an impact on freshwater resources due to saltwater intrusion. The Caribbean Community and Climate Change note that sea levels in the Caribbean has risen at a rate of approximately 1 millimeter per year during the 20th century, a rate lower than the global average. However, due to tectonic processes and land subsidence, the sea level rise isn't homogeneous. In the Caribbean island of Trinidad, sea level rise in the south is 5 millimeters per year, whilst in the north it is 1 millimeter per year. Sea level rise introduces salt water into the island's freshwater aquifers and further cause water stress, especially for agriculture. The increase in temperature also affects our water resources because intense hurricanes cause flooding, runoff into surface water resources, siltation of dams and rivers. Also, droughts are extensive due to increasing temperature, reducing recharge, leading to aquifer depletion. This impacts on the livelihoods of residents. It is thus important that all stakeholders take action to combat climate change. The Integrated Water Resource Management have begun to implement strategies that seek to incorporate better water resources management for the entire region. So what part do you play as an individual? There are many actions that you can undertake. 1. Charge your electronics such as laptops, video games, and cell phones less. Invest in a solar charger for electronics. Recycle waste items such as plastics and paper. Compost vegetative matter and engage in gardening. Practice water use in an efficient manner. Walk more on carpool. Volunteer environmental activities. Speak out so the politicians and the wider society can hear you. Increase your knowledge on climate change. That will increase your resilience to impacts of climate change. Share everything that you know about climate change and its impacts with everyone. Act now, act differently, act together.